Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, I'm going to teach you how to bypass your Captcha on your website or your PC. I have a video regarding how to bypass Captcha on your iOS, on your iPhone devices, or Mac devices. Please watch it, okay? So in this one, I'm going to teach you how to bypass it on your PC or your Windows, Safari, or whatever laptop you have right there, okay? So first things first, I'm going to show you what the Captcha looks like. It should be this one right here. If you click on this one, the check sign, and click on submit, you'll have this somewhat puzzle icon, okay? It's not loading right now. I think there might be a problem with this website. I'm just gonna show you a different one. Let me just try it right there. Captcha message. I'm gonna show you guys first what a Captcha looks like. So technically it's just this one's right here. Sometimes they're puzzles, for example this one. Okay? Now that being said, let's go back to how to override this. In this case, I just want you to type in this website. This is going to be chrome.google.com web store. It's pretty lot, right? What you want to do is just type in Captcha bypass. It's simple as that. Or if you don't want this one, Captcha buster. Simple as that. Do not click this one. This is a paid application. Rather, click the second one. We're gonna go to the Google extension store, which is this one. So from here, just click on get extension, add extension to the web store, and it should be added right to your browser. As you can see over here, if it's not showing at the top portion, click on this puzzle icon, click on these three dots, and you should click on pin this one, okay? That being said, give me a second there, perfect. Now as you can see, it's color yellow. Now when you go here, and supposedly it's not working right now because this website itself, the demo website, is not properly working. However, I can assure you guys that this is perfectly working. For example, you have this Captcha. Just click on this icon right there. It will automatically override it for you guys. Simple as that. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Have a safe one.